If a route is not currently set in the navigation system, you can set a new destination by touching Map on the launch bar, then touching Destination. Touch an item on the screen to set the destination as your home address, if it has been stored, a street address, a point of interest such as a gas station or restaurant, a previous destination used by the system, your work address if it has been stored, charging stations, an entry from the address book, the center of a chosen city, an intersection of two streets, a location found by phone number, a route previously stored in the system, SXM travel link, if so equipped, points of interest from the current map location, or set latitude and longitude coordinates for a location. Some destination options require you to enter additional search criteria. For example, touch the state, province, or city key to enter information using a keypad on the screen. Once you have entered a portion of the state or city name, you can touch List and then touch the name on the screen. You can also set a destination using the voice recognition system. For example, press the Talk button on the steering wheel and then say Points of Interest, followed by the name of a specific point of interest. After a destination has been selected, and depending on search method and conditions, you can add a waypoint on the way to the destination, calculate the route with the shortest duration, an energy-saving route, or the shortest route by distance, or view the turn list. Touch Start to begin route guidance. To move a destination after it has been set, press the Map button, touch Route, edit Add to Route, add Destination, then select a method for choosing a destination, such as By Map. Touch the screen to move the cross pointer to the new destination, then touch OK, then Add to Route. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.